Hi guys, here are my picks from Lenskart Iconic Sale 2.0. This is the lens designer case which comes with everything you require to put your lens or remove them. These are my Vincent Chase eyeglasses without power. You can have with power options as well. These are the blue screen protection glasses used when you're working too much on a screen, which might be laptops, mobile screens, iPads or anything. These are my Vincent Chase narrow sunglasses. These are aviator shapes. If you want to know which shape will suit your face shape, you can comment down below. You can have powered and without power options at Lenskart for your eyeglasses as well as your sunglasses. When you choose the correct shape and size, it enhances your features. These are my husband's Vincent Chase without power sunglasses. These are aviator shapes. You can have them without and with power as well. So here's the difference between the width. Mine one are narrow and his one are wide. Shop from Lenskart Iconic Sale 2.0 to get your next pair at flat 60%.